and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Alright, we've got the Palmetto Dagger Micro that we're going to disassemble and reassemble, field strip basically, so stay tuned. We make holsters. We have custom holsters that we make, so you can go check those holsters out. defensetraining.org/holsters. Alright, back to the video. Alright, we've got the PSA Palmetto Dagger Micro. This could be done for either the long or short slide. So they've got, this one's the short slide, so this is like your 43X. Your Glock 43X, and then you got the long slide, which is like the 48. So basically the same guns, very similar anyway. They fit in the same holsters and all that good stuff. But we're gonna field strip it, or disassemble or reassemble it after for cleaning, basically. So basically you've got these little pull tabs right here. You've got one right here, and you got one right here. So this is a bar that is straight across basically, and you've got to pull straight down with both sides. You can't have it cockeyed or anything like that. As I pull, I'm going to pull this slide back just like that. So I'm going to pull down, and you'll actually be able to tell it really won't come down until you pull back. Once it pulls back, it comes down. Then you can go pull the trigger, and then it will come off. And this is ready to clean right here as it is. Now this one, we're going to push the spring forward and pull basically back like that. So forward, back, just like that. It's not hard. And this is the front, this is the rear. So you see where it's got the little it's got like a little plunger down in there, where that's just flat straight across. This is the front, that's the rear. And then the barrel, we're just going to push forward. We're going to wiggle it forward a little bit and then pull back just like that. And there's nothing to it. Now this is ready to clean. However, take this Holosun off, or any kind of optics you've got on there. I know a lot of guys are like, oh, you don't have to take that off. Yeah, you do. This says, if you read the Holosun instructions, it says do not use even alcohol, which is a very soft substance, not a very hard cleaner. And it says don't use alcohol. And what's happening, if you're using actually a good cleaner, this is going to start hazing, and it will basically fog over, and it won't be very good after a long time. Take this off and clean it. Clean your gun. Get this away, clean this, and then put it back on. Highly suggest that. You can do what you want, but this will haze over time. So take this off to clean this. Alright, now we're going to put it back together. Barrel just goes in just like that. Pull it back, make sure it's locked. This, again, the front end goes in the hole up front. We're going to go here. Then we're going to push forward. Now, if we're looking down in here, this goes on that second step. So not this first one, but down on that second one, way down in there. In fact, you should be able to see that rounded? This part sits down in that rounded cutout. So we're going to go here. We're going to push it forward, and we're just going to sit it in, and it's going to look something like that. Alright, and that's it to this, and then we're just going to put it back on here. You've got your rails where it's open right here for your rails, and then this is the beginning. I call them little wings right here, but this is just part of your rail system right here and there. And then we're just going to start those, wiggle them until they're in, and then basically you're just going to wiggle it back, make sure it locks, and then it's good to go. Alright, that's it. That's all that there is for disassembling and reassembling, field stripping your firearm from cleaning. Alright, this is Spencer, Defense Training. Stay safe, stay armed. Hey, we want to take a second just to let you know that we offer concealed weapons classes in South Carolina. We are in Anderson, South Carolina. So if you're local to us, check us out at defensetraining.org. We also offer other training as well. You can check that out again, defensetraining.org. Also, we make holsters. We have custom holsters that we make, so you can go check those holsters out. They are ambidextrous and both inside and outside the waistband holsters. They are made of Kydex. They have a lifetime guarantee and a 60-day money-back guarantee. So check those out at defensetraining.org/holsters. All right, back to the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.